All right, we're going to show you how to install the Racing Beat front sway bar this is the Racing Beat 2016 MX-5. So go ahead, Danny, and show us how it's done. When you're installing the bar, make sure the humped portion with the logo is facing up. That's how it will be placed on the car in its final position. What Danny is first doing is maneuvering the bar over that would be like the bumper support subframe component. Then he allows the bar to drop down with the arms facing the ground. Now he's maneuvering the bar arm over the radiator hose. Continuing to move it across the center of the car. Careful of the bar arm as you're getting close to the fender there, so you don't whack it and mar the paint. And he's just maneuvering the bar over the steering pump, which is kind of the biggest obstacle at this point. And he's slowly maneuvering the bar. You can see it's making its way further into the chassis. Okay, so now he takes the bar arms. Once he's got it about halfway through, now it's hitting on the other side of the car. The other arm that's hanging down is hitting on the other bumper brace where he has his finger just on the other side of the car. So now what he's going to do is, you ready to go, Danny?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead with the next step. He moves the bar arms forward, maneuvering the bar rearward up over that brace. And then this will allow him to continue to push the bar towards the passenger side. On this side, light in here a little bit more. You can see he has to clear the driving light and the wires. Be careful at this point with the ABS wire. This is probably the most difficult part right through here. Okay, so there he's got the bar arms pretty much parallel to the ground. Now it's just a matter of maneuvering it on the passenger side. Working slowly. Move it an inch at a time. There you go. So he's now maneuvered it over the other bumper brace, and the bar is equally in the car at this point. So now he's allowed the bar arms to hang straight down. And then the next step is going to be maneuvering the bar arms up and over the tie rod ends. Now what we've done in the removal step is turn the steering wheel one full turn towards the passenger side, which then allows us to lift the arm up and over, which he's just done on that side, and he's doing it now on the other side by maneuvering the bar towards the passenger side, and it's in place. There you go, it's done. So the bar's in place. What we'll be doing now, we'll be putting the clamps on, which are pretty straightforward, and then reconnecting the end links. So that's it. I'm looking at the timer. It took about 5 minutes to get the bar in the car. That should be it.